I'm going to label this column as state because that's what it is. And the US is not a state. I don't want the total information, so I'm going to delete that row. Now, something that's weird is I would like to have this alphabetized, but it's not, the data is not alphabetized. AL does not come before AK. So let's select everything and let's sort it. And let's sort it. Let's do the state and A to Z. So AK should move up. Yes. So AK is before AL. Very good. Now what I want to do is I want to add some data from over here. I want to add some latitude and longitudinal data for the states. So I'm going to insert two columns. Insert two columns. And I'm going to copy these two columns, Control C, and come back over and I will paste let's see, I'm just going to paste as values because I don't want the formatting. So I'll paste as values. And let's see, I want to make this a little bigger. There we go. Okay, so we have the original state, and then we have this lowercase state. And I think that the second one was alphabetized. But let's do a check to make sure that these are all equal. Because if these are not all equal, then the latitude longitudinal data does not line up with the tax data. So I'm going to add, insert another column. Now we're going to have a whole next unit which talks about formulas, but I'm going to get us going on a formula to see if these match. So let's a formula and just copy what I'm copying. I haven't taught you this yet. So if this equals this, comma, I'm going to say write that they match, comma. Otherwise, write that they don't match. So those two match. And now I'm going to copy that down the entire table. And we have a don't match here. Why is that? Because there's a PR in our latitude and longitudinal data. PR. There should be 51 with the DC and without DC, with DC, and 52 with the header. So I should see 52 rows, but I'm seeing 53. This PR is extra. I don't know what it is right now, but I don't want it. So I am going to get rid of that PR and move everything up. So Control, I'm going to delete that. And now I'm going to repeat what I did. I'm going to copy these. I'm going to come back and I'm going to paste. Let me get rid of this. I'm just going to redo everything. I'm going to paste that information right here. I lost the copy. Let me get it. I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to come back and I'm going to paste the information right here. So paste, I'll paste the values. Okay. So now let's do the match again. So now I'm going to insert a column and we'll say if this column, oops, I need an equal sign to start my formula. If that cell equals this cell, then we'll write match. Otherwise, we'll write don't match. And I'll bring this down again. And I have all matches. Okay, so I know that everything is lining up. My latitude, longitudinal data is lining up with the state data, so I can get rid of the repeat state name, and now I just have the latitude and longitudinal data. And we have one more video to go.